What if there was no zero? What if there was no zero? Zero is a very interesting number. It has no weight of its own. But by writing zero in front or behind any other number, the status of that number increases or decreases. The story of zero's existence is very interesting. This number alone is nothing to say. But when it joins with some other number, it increases the power of that number according to its number. Like it has no identity before a number. But if it comes in front of a number, it turns it from 1 to 10, if it comes twice, it becomes 100, if it comes 3 times, it becomes 1,000. Over time, the style of writing each number changed. But zero is the only number that remains the same in every era. Let us tell you today about the journey of Cumin. The concept of zero key has been around since ancient times. It is also mentioned in the records of Babylonia and Maya culture. In that period, it was used to add or subtract the movement of the seasons. The credit for making the world aware of the utility of zero goes to the 7th century Indian astronomer Brahmagupta. It can be added, subtracted, multiplied, divided just like you can do any other number. Although it is a bit difficult to divide it. Zero's journey was not easy. He faced many difficulties in his journey. It was establishing its footing in Europe at the time when the Christian crusade against Islam was going on here. Europeans did not trust Arabic numbers. In the year 1299, zero was banned along with other Arabic numbers in the city of Florence, Italy. Because it was very easy to convert it from 0 to 9. Dishonesty used to happen many times with those who used to deal with money. But, by the 17th century, the cipher had made itself so strong that it became difficult to work without it. It gave a strong foundation to advance all the principles of mathematics and science. Till date its importance remains intact. You must have made graphs many times in school. Whose imagination is not possible without zero? Even today, from engineering to computer graphics, it cannot be made without ciphers. Just think, if there was no zero, then the picture of the stock market could have been done. If there was no zero, then all the numbers would have become meaningless. So in future, if someone calls you a cipher, instead of feeling bad, tell him that brother, all the power is in zero. And in this we all have to merge one day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.